Okay, now we are going to create a bone sketch, cortical and cancellous bone. I want to save this file. Before that, save desktop, create a folder, (3D) model, implant and bone. Okay, save it here. So Corelda graphic software, new file, bone sketch, new file. Here it change it to RGB. Okay, so approximate mandibular bone width should be drawn as a rectangular form, which should be in 25 by 40 millimeter. Okay, take a pencil, freehand tool, F5, so it's not fine. Another draw tool, okay, okay, right. So the cortical bone is ready. Is save as. And before that, we are here. It's a sharp edge should not be there. Okay, this is nice. This okay. Yes. DXF AutoCAD file. Cart mode. So to go Control V, Control E. AutoCAD selected only. What we are selected, it will be exported as sketch, 2D sketch. Okay. Okay. Expose as centimeter or millimeter, curves, JPEG file. Okay. Okay. Ungroup this. This only. It will be 2D sketch of the cancellous bone combined with the cortical bone. These two sketches. Okay. So this only export as 2D file. This inner layer. Okay, good. Right. new file, part solid, bn default template, remove this, space should not be there, so underscore, okay, millimeter, part solid APS. So we have to sketch the bone at the axis. Okay, file system import, card bone, place it here, scale value change it to 1, zoom in, okay, middle, the place in the middle, oh sorry, slide was placed, okay, these are the dimension, click ok, then we have to extrude into the 2D sketch is converted into 3D, just click the extrude. So adjustment from the middle part, total length of the bone segment, mandibular bone segment is, you can give 30 millimeter, that's it, tick the ok, save this file, card bone part PRT file, 3D model, what default folder is here, click ok, that's all, then close this file, new file, cancellous bone, part solid apps, okay, same way, right plane, choose it, sketch, import that drawn file, cancellous bone, import, okay, place it here, zoom, rotating the mouse bar, scale value 1, click ok, convert it into, to press the ok to confirm the sketch, extrude from the center both the axes, it's 30 millimeter, same dimension, okay, cancellous bone is ready, save it here, the same folder, close, okay, save this bone sketch, it's a CorelDRAW file, same folder, just close.